Good morning, dear students. My name is Mohit and I am your mathematics teacher from Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. So, today's topic is curves. What is curves? Dear student, you have already studied this portion in the live lecture and we will revise it again. So, let's get started. Have you ever taken a piece of paper? See over here. Have you ever taken a piece of paper and just doodled? So the picture that you are resultant of your doodling are called curves. Like whenever you take a paper and just doodled it, like for example you will see the some figures over here like this. So you can make different types of shapes also. So you will say these are the examples of the curves, but you will say that especially the word curves, whenever you are saying curve means a part which is bent from anywhere. So or you can take a curved path of the road or the perimeter of the circle, like this circle. These all are the examples of curves. Now you can draw some curves of this drawing without lifting the pencil from the paper and without the use of a ruler. These all are curves. Get to the next page. Curves in everyday usage mean not straight. The curve, you can say in another word, that is not straight. So in mathematics a curve can be straightened like the one shown in figure 4.10. Now you will see in figure 4.10, you will see over here this one and this one. This is still not straight, but they are saying this is a curve. Now this portion also, they are also saying curve. So in mathematics a curve can be straight like the one shown in this. So observe that the curve in 3 and 7th in figure 4.1, you have seen that the cross themselves. So whereas the curves 1, 4, 1, 2 and 5 and 6th in figure 4.1 do not, like these curves, these are crossing, these curves, these are crossing each other. This is all this is also crossing each other. So these are also the examples of curves. Let's get to the page again. So if a curve does not cross itself, then it is a simple curve. So the curves which does not cross itself, those are simple curves. For example, like this is a simple curve, this is also a simple curve, like this is also a simple curve, because in these figures you will see no lines are crossing each other. So these are the curves which are called simple curves. Now draw 5 more simple curves and 5 curves that are not simple. So you will see over here, this is open curved, this is not simple curve, this is open curved, but this is closed curve. So this is a closed curve. So now you can draw 5 more curves and 5 curves that are not simple. Now consider these. Now you will see these are also the curves, but this is open curve and this is closed curve. What is the difference between these two? The first is open curve and the second, that is closed curves. So can you identify some closed and open curves from the figure 4.10? Yes, definitely. Let me take you there. You will see over here, this is open curve, this is closed curve. Now position in a figure. A court line in a tennis court divides it into 3 parts: inside the line, on the line and outside the line. For example, this is a tennis court. You will see there is a line in which there is a net. So you will see this is on the line, this is outside the line and this is inside the line. So these are the terms. You cannot enter inside without crossing the line. So if you want to enter inside, you have to cross this line, So a compound wall, for example, a compound wall separates your house from the road. You talk about inside the compound, on the boundary of the compound and outside the boundary. So you have also seen like this. In a closed curve, thus there are 3 parts. The first is interior, second is boundary, that is on, and the third is exterior. So what are interior, what are exterior, and what are boundary? So you will see that if we are having any curve like this, so you will see there are 3 points, point A, point B, and point C. So the point which is inside the curve, you will say interior point, and the point which is on the curve like this, you will say boundary curve or boundary point, or you will say on the boundary. And the point which is outside the curve, you will say the exterior point, C, like this. So these are the point, this is exterior point, this is interior point, and this is the point on the boundary. Now in figure 4.12, A is interior, C is the exterior, and B is the curve. So this is the part. Now you will see there the interior of the curve together with its boundary is called its region. The interior of the curve together with its boundary is called a region. So that part like that, this is a region. Now polygon. You have seen a different types of polygon in mathematics generally. Like look at this figure also, like this figure, this one, and this one. What you will notice? You will notice that there are such number of sides. What can you say? Are those closed? Are they closed? How does each one of them differ from the other? So what are the difference between them? They are generally asking this. So you will see that 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4 are special because they are made up of entirely of line segment. But what is the difference between fifth? You will see there is a curve in this figure, so they are called a polygon. But this is a curved closed figure. But polygons are the figures which have made in which figures are made by the number of sides. For example, triangle, square, rectangle, like these types of figures. So in a figure is a polygon if it is having a simple closed figure made up of entirely of line segments, not a curve. Draw 10 different shapes of the polygon. So you can do this like 5 matchsticks, you can make pentagon, 4 matchsticks, you can make square or quadrilateral 4-sided figure, 3 matchstick, you can make triangle, and 2 matchstick. By 2 matchstick, either you can make a parallel lines or intersecting lines or an angle like this. So this is what you can practice at home. So dear student, that I hope that you like the lecture, and we will meet again. So all the best.